whenever you're coming to the place which you had no chance to visit before, you feel excited, and I'm excited, of course, to be here in Azerbaijan, despite the long trip here, 18 hours yesterday. But Mingachevir is a town which deserves to be visited. It is a greeny town, full of people, noisy, but this noisiness is nice, and especially this is academic town. And for me, as a researcher, as the director of one of the mostly internationalized university we have in Poland, this is an additional privilege to be here, because first of all I can know and to be more informed about your culture, your history, which is partly known for me, but still it's always good to extend your knowledge. And secondly, there's also a chance for me to popularize my university among your researchers and your students. And students already, they approach me, of course, asking for some contacts in the Vistula University, namely in order to, let's say, to find out a chance for the cooperation. And I'm going, of course, to help with that, because I know that my students in Warsaw will be definitely also interested to be in touch with students from this university. So Mingachevir is just an example of the academic town in Azerbaijan, and I think that this example may serve as something which may be the encouragement for the linking or have links with other universities here as well.
Profesörün da qeyd etdiyi kimi, daha doğrusu dediyi kimi, Mingəçevir şəhərində ilk dəfə olmaq onun üçün çox həyecanlı bir hadisə olubdur. Mingəçevir şəhərinin əvvəlcədən tanınmaması belə, lakin Mingəçevir şəhəri haqqında fikirlərindən akademik bir şəhər olaraq vurğulandığı və bununla yanaşı səs-küyün olduğu, lakin səs-küyün daha xoş səs-küy olduğu vurğulanmışdı. İkinci olaraq isə Mingəçevir şəhərindəki tələbələrin və digər dövlətlərdən gələn rektorların burada olması, insanların tanınması, geri dönüşdə öz tələbələrinə bunu axtarması da onun üçün xoş bir təcrübə olaraq qeyd edilmişdir.